Namdev Finvest has established its foothold in the MSME segment for over a decade, encouraging progress and inspiring dreams. As we evolve with time, embracing the call for a net zero carbon world, we proudly introduce our latest venture in green finance. But why green finance? Because green finance isn't just about the environment. It brings economic and ecological advantages for everyone. Our decade-long expertise in the MSME sector laid a robust foundation for this new chapter. The green finance market is a vast canvas, largely untapped, and we are here to make our mark.
मैं पहले सब्जी का काम करता था तो उसमें मेरा गुजारा हो नहीं रहा था। नामदेव से हमने लोन लिया, फिर उसके बाद में मैंने ई रिक्शा खरीदा। अब उससे मेरी आमदनी इतनी बढ़ गई, मेरा घर का गुजारा भी हो रहा है। मैं नामदेव को धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
ये ई रिक्शा लिया है मैंने, दोनों पैरों से विकलांग हूँ मैं, और इसी से मैंने खर्चा चलाया है पूरा। इस कंपनी से लोन लिया, नामदेव कंपनी से, धीरे धीरे मेरा काम बढ़ाया। एक रिक्शे से 2 रिक्शे किए मैंने, और इससे मैं मेरा घर का रोजगार चला रहा हूँ अच्छी तरह से।
Under the Green Finance umbrella, Namdev Finvest offers tailored financial solutions for green asset classes focusing on homes and businesses. We present to you our 2 pillars of green finance: solar finance and e-mobility finance.
As we are embarking towards green as a responsible country, Namdev has launched its green product for next phase of growth by assisting our MSME customer to own an asset that generates financial values through which they can save cost in an environmental friendly way. We are contributing to the ecosystem of the country by providing loans for solar panels that are installed on the rooftop and other available vacant places of the customer.
So green finance doesn't just only helps the environment, but it also brings economical advantages to everybody. So under green finance, we are offering financial solutions for e-mobility and solar, and we are targeting customers for small businesses and small households for these kind of loans.
As per Niti Aayog, the EV financing market is poised to surge, reaching an impressive $5 to 7 billion by 2026. India's commitment to achieving a 30% sales share for EVs by 2030 underscores the nation's resolute march towards green mobility. Simultaneously, our foray into financing solar panels rides on the sunlit waves of the renewable energy revolution.
हमारी कंपनी का मार्च 2024 का जो प्लान है वो $156 का डेवलपमेंट प्लान है। हमारा कंपनी का असेट अंडर मैनेजमेंट मार्च 156 करोड़, एंड देन हमारी कंपनी का मार्च 2025 का जो असेट अंडर मैनेजमेंट टारगेट है वो 281 करोड़ है, और मार्च 26 का जो असेट अंडर मैनेजमेंट प्लानिंग है वो अराउंड $500 का प्लानिंग है। और हमारी कंपनी भारत के करीबन 9 राज्यों के अंदर अग्रणी फाइनेंस कंपनी के रूप में उभर कर आ रही है, और आने वाले समय में हमारी कंपनी में आज जैसे 1300 एम्प्लॉय हैं, तो आने वाले समय में 5000 एम्प्लॉय हो जाएंगे, जो कि 2025-26 तक का हमारा टारगेट है।
The Indian solar power market is forecasted to witness an exceptional CAGR of 34.24% between 2022 and 2027. Propelling its market size to an estimated $273.82 billion.
We also look at rejuvenating our EV business, our green business with respect to EVs, solar panels, charge stations, so as to work with the Indian economy, and also look at promising what our PM Modi has stated as a vision to upgrade and promote the green energy. Thank you so much and all the very best.
Our foresight is rooted in the immense growth potential of these sectors within the dynamic Indian market. Currently, we have already disbursed a substantial $7 million, with our footprint making waves in the landscapes of Rajasthan and Delhi.
Namdev keeps major focus on practice supporting environmental, social, government as well as factors needing governance. We aim to minimize carbon emission by saving electricity which are created through unfriendly means like coal burning, etc. by disbursing more and more solar loans to our customer segment like hotel, hospital, farms, etc.
मैंने मानसरोवर एक्सटेंशन में एक चौपाटी ओपन की है जिसमें 20-25 शॉप्स हैं और यहाँ का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो बिल था वो मेरा 30 से 35 हज़ार रुपये पर मंथ आ रहा है। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बचत बिल में बचत करने के लिए नामदेव फाइनेंस से फाइनेंस मिला और मैंने ये सोलर प्लांट लगाया। 3 से 4 दिन में फाइनेंस मिल गया मुझे और ये सोलर प्लांट मेरा लग गया है और मेरी एवरी मंथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल की सेविंग शुरू हो गई है।
A grid supplied with the solar energy can reduce the blackouts and brownouts. We believe this has the potential for long-run saving. According to our business analysis, the cost even can be achieved in 3-4 years by getting adequate government subsidies and depreciation for our entrepreneur customers.
But that's just the beginning. In the realm of green finance, Namdev Finvest is thriving to build a total AUM of $12 million by March 2024, with projections indicating a substantial growth to $72 million across 9 states by March 2026.
Build trust among stakeholders including investors, regulators as well as customers by demonstrating commitment to transparency and sound internal controls.
My role evolves around ensuring meticulous compliance with all regulatory and statutory requirements. In collaboration with the dedicated team at Namdev, we consistently strive to uphold the highest standard of corporate governance and legal adherence.
Now how we do it? So it's very simple. We do basis the assessment. It was like a lender, the private lenders. They are also the self-driven entrepreneurs. They are having high aspirations about their family, just bringing up from the MFI culture, which is a unsecured culture.
Namdev Finvest invites you to be a part of this transformative journey. Namdev Finvest, where finance meets green, where dreams meet reality, where financial prudence meets environmental stewardship, promising not only impressive returns but also contributing to India's quest for a cleaner and substantial tomorrow.
नामदेव के साथ जुड़ने से हमें ये फ़ायदा है कि कस्टमर को जैसे मान लीजिए लोन की रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है तो इनके पास इंक्वायरी देने से उसको पूरा सपोर्ट मिलता है इनकी तरफ से, तो कस्टमर ही सेटिस्फाई रहता है इनकी तरफ की फॉर्मेलिटीज़ भी कम है और टाइमिंग भी कम से कम ही लगता है, 2 वर्किंग डे के अंदर ही इनका लोन अप्रूव हो जाता है।
Beyond the financial realm, our purpose transcends. We empower women to take the wheel, drive change, and become breadwinners for their families. With every solar panel and electric vehicle, we foster community development and elevate lives.
मेरे पति अकेले काम करते थे, खर्चा उठाते थे, खर्चा थोड़ा ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था, अकेले काम करते थे, इसलिए मैंने रिक्शा लिया। नामदेव को धन्यवाद देती हूँ लोन देने के लिए।
We have started these 2 products with 2 business approaches, which is B2B and B2C. We have been doing really great in B2B and now we are expanding in B2C through Rajasthan, UP and other states in near future.
Solar installation has the potential of adding economic power to our GDP, driving economic growth, foster financial inclusion and empowering our semi and rural urban areas. We are embracing the idea proposed by our Honorable Prime Minister, one sun, one world, one grid in the renewable energy sector. हम बदलेंगे आपकी दुनिया, it's just not our tagline, it's in our very fabric of company's DNA.
Namdev Finvest Private Limited, हर पल आपके साथ।